welcome back to today's more important analysis videos on Tuesday the 8th of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at cable, and we've seen that the market has just pulled back slightly back towards this 23.30 sort of breakout neckline. Arguably 23.77 was yesterday's low of that sort of dollar strength, which pulled the cable lower. Now you've seen sort of momentum indicators just beginning to lose a bit of steam in the recovery, but it'll be interesting to see what happens now, because my sort of reading of cable is that I think 23.30 is a key level, and 22.80, which is sort of the breakout level, or another near-term breakout level, 22.80. I think that that is sort of where the market will be looking out for, because 23.30 is sort of a breakout for that base pattern. It's held above that, and momentum indicators have started to turn around a bit. You had a few sort of positive hourly candles in the last few hours, and I think that obviously we've got the prospect of a Clinton victory, which would be dollar strengthening, and that would pull cable lower. But coupled with that in cable, you've also got a more positive outlook, or increasingly positive outlook for sterling. So I don't necessarily think sterling is going to be a massive underperformer. And yes, I think you'd expect to see weakness on cable, but not huge. And I'll be interested. I'll be watching 23.30 and 22.80. This sort of rebound support, which you can argue you sort of pull that towards there. That's sort of 22.80, a little bit of a breakout level, 22.80 area. So I think that it would be interesting to see how cable reacts in this. Now you've got a sort of a little bit of arguably a head and shoulders top pattern, which again you can sort of measure from 24.50 down from 25.50. Unwind that gives you 23.50. Again, you sort of into that support around that neckline again. So it's all sort of playing out on a near-term basis, but I think that ultimately we're going to get a lot of volatility tomorrow, certainly tomorrow morning, and then a little bit of direction. But as I said, it'll be very interesting to see what happens on a Clinton victory, which is still likely, which again, as I said, would be a drag on cable, but it just depends on how much. So the two key levels I'm looking out for is 23.30, 22.80 as the sort of confirmation levels, really. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.